Zdravo svima. Welcome to our new episode. Today we're talking about New Year's plans, or how to talk about New Year's plans, in three different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I'm Nikola,
Mhm.
and here is Maki.
Maki, da, zdravo svima.
Kako si, Maki?
Dobro sam, hvala. A ti?
Dobro. I'm making plans for the new year, so
Mm.
maybe you can help me. We can do it together.
Yeah, that's a huge topic right now, right? People are always like talking about New Year resolutions. And I heard, I read somewhere that only 10% of, the population, like all people, all the people, actually make their resolutions come true. So.
That seems that seems kind of true. Uh,
That's why it's better to have like a more generic or, more like broad, let's say, plans for the new year, maybe.
yeah. So we have three levels. Level one is a beginner one. So do you
Mm.
want to read it together?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. The topic is vacation plans.
Mm.
You want to be A?
Yeah, I can be. Gde ćeš ići na odmor 2025. godine?
25. Exactly.
Yes.
Ići ću na more u Crnu Goru.
To je super. Hoćeš li ostati dugo?
Da, ostat ćemo 2 nedelje.
Nice.
That sounds nice, like a beginner dialogue.
So it's a very nice dialogue, but for the year, let's just have a quick review. 2025
Mm-hmm.
godine, right? From the five on, it's going to be šeste godine, sedme godine,
Yeah.
right? Before, how is it
The,
going to be?
before,
If it
like
was 2023, if it was 2024.
23, yeah, always the last number will be ordinal number, so first, second, third, but in
Hmm.
genitive, feminine gender. So
Hmm.
pete. Godine is optional, you can leave out godine. Gdje ćeš ići na odmor
Hmm.
2025? That's still fine.
Ah,
But it's
nice.
ordinal number, feminine, genitive, singular.
Uh-huh. So if it was 2021, it would be 21,
Yeah,
right?
2021, yes.
Okay, it's not that confusing now. Good.
Yeah. Very good.
Good. And one thing, hoćeš li ostati dugo? This is one way of asking, right? Will you stay long? Hoćeš li
Mhm.
ostati dugo? Or I can also say ostaćeš dugo. Ostaćeš
Yeah,
li
sure.
dugo?
Ostaćeš li, the most formal one is da li ćeš ostati dugo. It
Mm.
doesn't have to be formal. Like it's the most common with da li.
Mm-hmm.
So you can either do that or put li after the verb. Like
Or
here.
jeli, right? Jel
Jel,
hoćeš?
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Jel,
yeah.
or jel ćeš ostati dugo.
Jel ćeš ostati dugo, yeah. Okay. Good. Crna Gora, of course, Montenegro, everyone.
Mhm.
Just to underline that. Next one is intermediate level.
Yes, topic is New Year's resolutions.
Mm.
I can start.
Okay. Yeah, you can start this time.
Kakvi su tvoji planovi za 2025. godinu?
So I changed everything here. Sorry, but we will come back to this. Počet ću da učim novi jezik i više ću trenirati.
Sjajno. Koji jezik ćeš učiti?
Učit ću španski. A ti?
Planiram da se pridružim času kuvanja i da se više bavim jogom.
Mm. That was my answer, actually, but now you have to do it.
Okay.
So
So,
what we said is your plans for 2025.
yeah,
Again, do we say it in a different way? The,
yes, we do because of za, because of preposition za, which demands
Mhm.
accusative. So it's still
Hmm.
feminine ordinal number, but now accusative.
Hmm.
Petu. 2025. godinu.
Without
And
godini
godinu.
also, we can say, right? Za 2025 too would be
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And počet ću da učim. Počet ću is I will start, right?
Mhm.
Uh,
Um, Short version, future tense.
Mhm. I više ću trenirati. As the second part starts with više, now ću is separate, right?
Yeah.
We can say that way.
So after adverbs, više is an adverb. After adverbs,
Mhm.
we use enclitics, which is like short forms, ću, ćeš, će,
Yeah.
sam, si, je. You use them
Mhm.
immediately after adverbs.
Yeah. Makes sense. I mean, if it's in the
Yeah,
beginning, you put the two at the end. If it's not in the beginning, you just
yeah.
separate them. Like in the next one, koji jezik ćeš učiti. So
Mhm.
ćeš is again separated because koji jezik is in the beginning.
Yeah, you cannot start a sentence with ćeš.
Hmm. Okay. And the last sentence was in present tense, planiram, because I'm planning, right?
Mhm,
Planiram da pridružim i više bavim jogom.
mhm. It's all
Bavim,
present.
all present bavim could be also radim, uradim could be.
Da više vežbam, then jogu,
Mm,
or radim jogu, sure. But baviti
mm,
se, it means to engage, to do in, then to do
mm-hmm.
something. It means instrumental. That's why it's jogom.
Yeah, yeah. Se više bavim jogom. Yeah.
Mhm.
Does it sound formal to you?
Listen.
Bavim se jogom.
No, it doesn't have to be. Formal part is pridružim, maybe. Uh,
Mm. What
yeah.
would you say? Dobijem, maybe? Planiram.
Planiram da idem na čas kuvanja.
I see. Yeah, idem na časkovanje.
Yeah,
Okay, cooking class, by the way.
yeah, cooking class.
Okay, good. Now
Dobro.
let's go to the advanced level.
Yes, career and personal goals. I
I can
start.
be
Okay, you
A
can
this
be.
time. Yeah. Kako planiraš da unaprediš svoj život u 2025. godini?
Petoj godini.
Petoj godini, because now it's locative. Okay.
Yes. Završavam master studije u junu, a posle toga ću tražiti posao u IT sektoru.
Odlično. Gde planiraš da radiš?
Ako bude prilike, zaposlit ću se u Beogradu, a ako ne, selit ću se u inostranstvo.
Šta još planiraš za 2025?
It should be petu. Ja,
Petu, yes.
ja.
Da. Okay.
Planiram da idem na nekoliko konferencija i da razvijem svoj startup.
To su ozbiljni planovi. Želim te puno sreće.
Hvala.
Okay. As the numbers are confusing, we wanted to have a cocktail of every,
Ja.
I guess, padeji here, but still useful. So this time, how do you plan to improve your life? Oh, that's a very deep
Exactly.
question. Unaprediš svoj život.
Unaprediš.
Yeah.
2025 here is in locative because of preposition u and
Hmm.
it's in this year. So months and years like that can be locative.
Yeah. So
Case.
petoj godini.
Yes,
Godina became
feminine.
godini. Mhm. Okay. And here the answer is like završavam. I'm finishing my master's degree, my studies, master studije u junu. A
Mhm.
posle toga, and after that, ću tražiti posao u IT sektoru. So we will ću tražiti is I will look for,
Yeah.
I will search for, right?
Search for.
Mm,
Again, posle toga, construction, that's why we use chu after it.
yeah, nice. And I like this format. Ako bude prilike, right? If I have the
Conditional
opportunity.
sentences with ako, if. Yes, you can
Mhm.
use, we'll talk about it after, but
Yeah,
there's a couple ways to do that.
yeah. But ako bude
Zaposlić.
prilike is like a phrase that goes, like all the words go together like this.
Yeah, yeah, it can be a phrase, yeah. If if there is opportunity.
Mhm. Ako ne, if not, seli ću se. Inostranstvo. Inostranstvo is a very difficult word for me.
Inostranstvo, abroad, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. It doesn't remind me of any other word that I know. It's completely new, you know.
Yeah. Strana is an
Mm,
old Slavic word for country, and
I
that's
see.
what the root of it. Means other
I
countries.
see.
It's all old roots. It doesn't have that meaning now.
I just know strankinja, stranac, so
Yeah, yeah,
it's foreigner.
foreigner. Mm.
hmm Okay. And we have here a nice wish at the end. To su ozbiljni planovi, very serious plans. Želim ti puno sreće. Wishing you
Yes.
very good luck.
Yeah, a lot of luck, literally.
Yeah, that's true. So I want to do a little bit of practice with you. I want you to tell me some verbs, very common verbs in present tense. I will try to tell them in the future tense.
hmm So I give you verbs.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's start with um, idem,
Idem,
right?
yeah. Ichichu. Yes.
Yes. But the only thing is, if you use ichichu, don't start with ya. So just
Yeah,
ichichu.
that's true. Mm-hmm.
The other options are yachu, ichi. So there's always
Mm-hmm.
three ways to make future. Yachu,
Yeah.
ichi, ichichu without ya, and even yachu
Okay.
da idem, which is not standard. Like standard, but very frequent colloquially.
Yeah, that's true. I hear it a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, without pronouns, I will try. Go on.
Okay. Should I pick like random verb?
You can choose
Let's
from the
do
list.
sp- spavam. Ja spavam in future.
Spavaču.
Dobro. Maybe on jede.
Ječe.
Yeah, with sh. Ješće. So
Ješće, yes, that's true.
what happened there? You have jesti plus che.
Mm,
T falls out. You have jesće, and so we'll change to sh. Ješće.
Ješće. Then ješću
Ješću.
if it was.
Yep. Ješću,
Okay.
ješćeš.
Okay, good.
Um, čitam.
Čitaću.
Okay, and maybe oni, like they, uh,
Mm.
oni piju.
Hmm. For they, it would
Mm.
be what was it? Wait a
PT,
second.
PT is infinitive, right?
Mm. So it's going to be the same for he, she, it then, right? Piće?
Yeah,
Pišće?
peach.
Piće.
Peach. Peach. Because PT, you do it T, che, and that's the word.
Uh-huh. So if it was on, also piće,
Yep.
right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So it's important to know if the infinitive ends on chi, write auxiliary verb separately. So ichi, chu, two words. If it
Mm-hmm.
ends on T, write it together. Kupiću.
Mm-hmm. How will we say, okay, now it's my turn.
Mhm.
On ide, idi.
On ide in future?
Mm-hmm.
Ići će.
Ah, okay. Not iće this time. Ići, of course, it has to be separate. Okay.
Because infinitive is ići.
That's true. We don't change the infinitive, but PT is just a very short word. That's why.
Yes, yes. And est because you have s, that changes to sh.
Okay. Okay. Then I will say zaposlim.
Za,
Zaposlim se.
yeah, it's reflect. Zaposliću se.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tražeju. No, traže.
Like they,
Mhm.
tražit će.
Tražit će. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
tražit.
Okay. And what was this nice word? Wait a second. Unapred. Okay. Unaprediš.
To, how do we translate to
Improve.
improve? Unapredit ćeš.
Unaprediš. Okay.
Unaprediti is infinitive.
Yeah. Unapred to me sounds like I don't know. Look, not location, but Say an adverb for location.
Ah, unapred, yes, because napred means forward.
Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't guess
Unapred,
it's gonna.
unapred is a word, means in advance.
Hmm. Okay, so I heard it somewhere else. That's why.
Yeah.
So it means like forward as a verb here, then, right? Improve.
Yeah, moving forward, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. One more. Uh, završ. This is an irregular verb. Okay. Završava.
He, she.
Mm-hmm.
So, završavat će is the
Završavaće.
imperfective. But you have
Hmm.
also završi, which is perfective, and then završit će.
Hmm, that's
You
true.
have imperfective and perfective aspects, sadly.
Yeah, different topic, but both of
Yeah,
them can be done the same way by putting chair at the end, right?
yeah. Mm.
Okay. Želim.
Želeću.
Želić. Okay.
Mm.
Easy. And seliš se.
Setiš, remember?
No, seliš.
Seliš, move.
Hmm.
Selit ćeš se.
Selićeš se. Okay,
Mm.
good. Nice. And I want to do a little bit of practice with ako dobijem priliku.
Okay, conditional clauses.
Yeah.
Ako can be formed with present, future
Hmm.
second. Yeah, present, future second, I think.
Yeah. So if we say ako dobijem priliku, we can make the rest of the sentence in future tense or also in present tense, right? Can we?
Uh, yeah, you can do both. Yeah. I
Nice.
think in English you have to agree the tenses, right? You have to be the same tense, or
Yeah, but there's a mixed option as well. So depends on the
yeah,
context.
yeah.
Yeah. So the example here is ako dobijem priliku, posećujem prijatelje. I will visit friends.
Ako da posjetit ću prijatelje, yes,
Mhm.
exactly.
But if I say ako dobijem priliku, posjetim prijatelje.
No, because
Okay.
posjetim is perfective aspect, and
Mhm.
it has to go with another verb. Hoću da posjetim.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. So I'm going to ask you to use this in answering the question, kakvi su tvoji planovi za 2025. No, petu godinu.
5 godina, yes. Okay. Ako budem imao, ako budem imao vremena,
Hmm.
uh, radit ću novi kurs. Yeah.
Hmm.
Radit ću neki
Advanced.
kurs. Yeah.
Kao profesoru ili kao učenik?
Kao učenik. Da.
Okay. Super.
Yeah.
Još nešto?
Um, well, let me see, what can I say with if? Ako bude, ako bude lepo vreme
Hmm.
u proleće, a, e, putovat ću negde u
Hmm.
prirodu.
U prirodu.
Ja.
Let me ask you. Inostranstvo ili u Srbiji?
Može i jedno i drugo, ali
Hmm.
nisam išao na Taru
Me.
skoro. So, možda ću ići. Ako bude lepo vreme, možda idem na Taru.
Super, super. Moraš.
Mhm.
Moraš ti to.
Ja.
Okay, good. I know you published a book, so I think there's also a plan about that one.
Ja.
Šta planiraš da radiš za tvoju knjigu?
Aha, or sa tvojom knjigom. Let's
Hmm,
do a future
za
second.
tvoju. Hmm.
Ako budem imao vremena, ako budem imao energije, ja ću Um, napraviti novu verziju knjige,
Mm,
štampanu,
mhm.
like printed, štampanu
Da,
verziju knjige.
super. Želim ti puno sreće.
Hvala.
I'm copying from the text.
Yeah.
Okay. I let's see what I will say.
Ok.
Okay.
Šta ćeš ti raditi sljedeće godine?
Okay. Sljedeće godine, ako dobijem priliku, mm, wait, ako dobijem priliku, počet ću da dajem časove joge.
Ok. Lepo.
Does it sound correct
Je,
or
počet ću da dajem, počet ću da, ja, pred,
radim, dajem, yeah.
radim časoroge, dajem, predajem. Yeah,
Mhm. Okay.
that's good.
Časove
Lepo.
joge was correct. I feel good.
Yes. Super.
I ako budem imao vremena, nastavit ću da učim srpski, naravno.
Ako treba, you should. That's always a good thing to do because
Yeah.
um, it's um, it's so hard already. And
Mm,
ja, dobro pričaš sada.
hvala
And
mnogo.
um,
Zahvaljujući tebe i drugi profesori.
hvala. I teško je, it's hard. It's hard to
Yes.
do it like constantly.
But it's hard, but you still, I'm right now, for example, ako budem imala vremena, ako budem, that was so confusing 1 year ago for me. Now,
Yeah,
when I hear it, I automatically know what it means and I can use it. That's the little thing that makes me, okay, I'm on the right track.
yeah. The most important part is like doing it consistently. Reading,
Exactly.
listening, writing. Grammar
And
will
using.
come along. You have to understand
Mm,
grammar, how to use it, but this is more important. Practical use.
yeah. But you must accept this is the weirdest grammar part.
Yeah.
Ako budem imala vremena.
Yeah.
Like there's a can, there's a past tense.
Yep.
So confusing, but still.
Good.
Ima smisla, I say. Okay, so I want our listeners to write their plans for 2025 in Serbian in the comment section. And I hope you will use these new words and structures that you hear in this episode.
Yes. Nadam se da je pomoglo. I hope it helped you as
Mhm.
a simulation how the dialogue will be in 3 levels. Hvala
Mhm.
što ste slušali. Thank you for listening or watching.
Mhm.
I vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi. See you in the next one. Maki.
Da, i srećna Nova godina.
Oh yeah, srećna Nova godina, exactly.
I
Sve
vidimo
najbolje.
se, let me say it, vidimo se u 2025. godini.
There you go, great. What a way to start a new year. Ok,
Ok.
vidimo se. Ćao.
Ćao. Uživajte.